Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing fine. I hope you are doing great wherever you are watching this video from. In this episode, I have brought together beautiful, stunning and super elegant kente dress designs for classy and elegant women. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about these kente styles. Are you a lover of Ghanaian kente dresses? Feel free to share with me in the comment section down below and I'll be super excited to reply your beautiful comments. If you enjoy watching this video, do well to give it a thumbs up and share this video with others so they get to see these amazing styles compiled for you. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Pestilence Home of Fashion, where you get updated on the latest and trending fashion styles. You also get to see amazing hairstyles collection on this channel. If you would love to see more videos like this, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so as to get notified when I upload a new video on the channel. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. I will see you all in another beautiful one. Continue to stay connected to this channel for more beautiful styles are coming your way. Do have a lovely day and stay safe out there. Bye.